Welcome back to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me at MarketSite, we have Howard Zev. He is the head of Americas for Nasdaq Risk Intelligence. We're going to focus on the evolution of SOX compliance. Howard, it's great to have you back with us at MarketSite. So what does Nasdaq's next generation of Sarbanes-Oxley compliance allow organizations to do?
So, Jill, it's really about providing leadership and investors with the trust that they need, obviously, through transparency. And then, of course, our number one driver is to help organizations to reduce the cost of implementing such a program in order to make sure that they comply with the regulation.
How can it help companies accelerate their compliance programs?
So our solution obviously is software as a service based on best practice. It's template driven, which means that we obviously provide a predefined solution out of the box, which helps organizations both new into the IPO or those that are matured and looking to replace a manual process, with a solution that is predefined, canned, both from a process and a reporting perspective.
How does greater transparency, what does it help organizations do?
So really it's about providing a picture of the organization's performance and ultimately ensuring that they have a strong control environment.
Mm-hmm. And do these efficiencies also help manage costs? I'm sure that's always a concern.
So because it's best practice and because it's a standardized process, which is obviously important both from driving the process and a reporting perspective, as well as the workflow that we use, which obviously is there to remove the sort of repetitive manual tasks, both of which are huge cost savers.
Right, and to wrap up here, what other features have been updated on the platform?
So we have smart scoping, which helps to predefine which controls should be in scope for the process. We also have our control test automation. We have our evidence gathering workflows, and of course our new user interface, which is intuitive and really summarizes the process, for the user, making it simple to use.
Okay, well, thank you very much for joining us at MarketSite.
Thanks again,
and thank
Jill.
you for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.